Hey guys, this is Carlo. Welcome to my watch vlog. This is my YouTube channel that's dedicated to anything and everything watches. I'm not a watch expert, I'm a hobbyist, I'm a beginner, and this channel aims to chronicle my journey in, well, my personal collection. For today's episode, we have a very special package. This was sent over to me by the distributor of D1 Milano here in the Philippines. And they said that it was a piece that I would like because it fits or matches my personality. So, very curious as to what this watch looks like. So, we'll unbox it, put it on wrist, take a closer look. Let's go. Okay, so the name of this watch is the D1 Milano Chronograph Gear. It sells here in the Philippines for a little over 24,000 pesos. But if you use the code Carlo Armory, I will write it down below, you can get like 30% off. Now, please do take note that this is not a sponsored / paid video in the sense that they paid me money. But in the interest of total transparency, they did gift me this watch. They said that it would probably, I don't know, like match my taste when it comes to colors. That's the note that came with the watch. Okay, so let's pop the box open. Oh, okay, I totally get it. So just by looking at the piece, there are immediately two things that jump out. The first one is the color blocking. As you guys know, I absolutely love the color combination of black and orange. In fact, this shirt, which I have, which is part of our merch brand over at my main channel, which is Project 721 or Carlo Ople, is color black and orange. So that's my favorite color style, color combination, and this piece, this chronograph, actually comes with that. So the dial is black, and then you have orange detailing for the subdials or the chronograph. And the second thing that I am absolutely digging about this piece is the gunmetal finish of the case, of the stainless steel case. It looks really kick-ass, really dope. So two things that immediately jumped out that caught my attention. So let's take it out of the box. Okay, the strap is pretty cool. Oh, okay, that's nice. So apparently they're using a nylon strap with the deployant clasp. So that's a nice added touch. So this is like a first for me because usually when I find watches with nylon straps, they're usually in some sort of like NATO setup or your typical clasp. So this is, well, again, I mentioned I am a beginner. So this is the first time encountering a nylon strap with a deployant clasp. So let's put it on wrist. Okay, not bad. So this watch, you know what? It actually reminds me a lot of the AP Royal Oak just by looking at it. Probably inspired, not necessarily like 100% homage to the actual piece, but it is very nice, man. The case size, just by taking a look at the documentation over here, is 41.5 mil. So that's super versatile. That should work on any wrist. It is also kind of thin. Apparently this is 11 mil thick. So again, it should work for a variety of occasions should you choose to wear or pick up this watch. The crystal is sapphire, so it is scratch resistant, and it also has anti-reflection coating. Now, in terms of the movement, it's actually powered by the Seiko VK63 movement. That is a mecha quartz movement. What is a mecha quartz movement? From what I've researched, it's a combination of the quartz movement as well as mechanical. So if you take a look at the time, if you take a look at the seconds, it's actually powered by the quartz movement. But if you start using the chronograph, for example, if you push any of the buttons, it gives you that satisfying mechanical feel. And then if you press the chronograph to end it, there's that flyback motion which sends it all the way back to the 12 o'clock position. Now, based on documentation that came with the watch, it's also 50 meters water resistant. So not like a whole lot. Typically, you'd find at least like 100 meters, but I don't think you'd go diving in this watch anyway. The good thing is it is at least water resistant. So what do I think about the watch? Well, to be honest, if you get it with the code, with the 30% discount, that brings the price from a little less than $500 to maybe around 350, 340 US. That's around 17,000 pesos in the Philippines. And if you take a look at that price point and you compare it with other watches that have this same movement, again, at least based on my initial research, then it comes out that it's pretty on par with the pricing. But overall, I think what really sells this is the overall look, the overall design. For me, I love the black and orange colorway of the piece. It's something that personally, aesthetically, matches my taste. They were really spot on. So kudos to the Armory, kudos to the local distributor of D1 Milano for figuring out exactly what would make me happy. So this particular watch, man, I really like it. So again, purely on the design, purely on the aesthetic, the case, the overall quality. It's a pretty dope watch. Again, guys, if you wanna get one for yourself, you can use the code 30% off. The code and the link to where you can buy it can be found down below. I'm really digging this nylon deployant clasp, so it's me being mababaw. But anyway, guys, let me know what you think of the watch. Let me know in the comment section down below. Would love to hear from all of you what you think of the D1 Milano Chronograph gear. And again, to everybody in the Philippines who wants to avail of the 30% discount, just use the code, and you can also shop the different watches that they have over at the Armory. They are a localized official distributor, not just of D1 Milano, but they also distribute TW Steel here in the Philippines. Speaking of TW Steel, that was actually my first expensive watch above 10,000 pesos in my beginner's journey. So that's why I was really thrilled when they reached out and sent an email saying that they were the distributors of TW Steel, because I'm like, ooh, that's like my first watch. And then the first watch that my wife gave me was actually also another TW Steel watch. That one was a dress watch that was colored blue and gold. So really good, awesome memories. But anyway, that's actually it, guys, for this episode. I hope you enjoyed. Please do check out my main channel, which is all about sneakers and tech. You can find it linked down below. That one has over 700,000 subscribers. I'm actually doing an ongoing giveaway right now on that channel for a Koala smartwatch. So that said, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.